Well, we're finished here, so it's time to get back on the road and head to Salida. Who'd that be?
Yo. My name's Mike from Canyon City down here, Onward Bound.
Deep inside, there's this feeling growing. I feel the worst. Tears running down my face. Make it stop. The world is driving me crazy. I need a light in the
Here is the Royal Gorge. Not very royal. Just kidding. There are definitely some beautiful views here. It kind of reminds me of the Grand Canyon, but not as grand. They do have dog kennels, because I'm not sure if the dogs are allowed on the bridge. Here's the entrance for the Welcome Center. Royal Gorge, Colorado. Here's the general admission. And here are the other rides. Dogs are allowed in. Isn't that awesome?
You can buy stuff for free.
I can't take voices stuck in my head, screaming loud, telling 1,000 lies. Others shine bright, seems like they know the light, seems like they know the light.
They have gondola rides, zip lines. You can walk across the bridge. It's pretty cool. It's kind of expensive though. So if you're wondering, general admission is $27 and the gondola ride is $30. If you want to do the zip line, it's $45. So yeah, it gets pretty pricey if you do everything. I think they do have a combo thing for $65 per person where you can do everything. So you can't really get the depth of the gorge unless you walk across the bridge or go on the gondola. It's pretty deep. There's the bridge from the other side. You can't really see the gorge. But like I said, the views here are just amazing. Looks like there's some houses and a road down that way. I wonder if there's another way to get in here. Looks like there's a road right there. I wonder if there's another way to get in. Maybe. See that road? Yeah. And it comes this way. What's that bridge right there? There's an old bridge. And that goes right into the gorge. There is a railroad track in the middle of the gorge. You know that?
I see that.
You can actually see where the old railroad bridge used to be. There's not one there anymore, so I take it that the railroad track that goes through the gorge is no longer in use. Alright, we're headed back to the RV. RV parking is all the way at the top of the hill. They also do have helicopter rides, and they are $49 a person. It's pretty neat though. Oh, how cool. They have a miniature version of the bridge. That's neat. Are you going to walk across it?
Walking the bridge, walking the bridge. This one's not quite as high up as the other one, but
jump!
It'll have to do.
Jump! Do some skydiving.
No, I'm not suicidal.
I don't think you'll get hurt if you fall that high.
I can't take voices stuck in my head, screaming loud, telling 1,000 lies. Others shine bright, seems like they know the light, seems like they know the light.
We just made it back to Seth's rig. He left it here because he rode in with me just to save gas. We're gonna go ahead and head on to Salida. Onward Bound. The drive from Canyon to Salida is very windy, but it is absolutely gorgeous. The views are breathtaking. I think I would rather come here and spend time in one of the recreational areas, because there are tons of recreational areas along this path, rather than seeing the bridge, the Royal Gorge. But I mean, it was fun to see, although we didn't get to go in because it was just got pretty expensive if you wanted to do everything. Oh, that's beautiful. This runs right along the river. Such an amazing place. Wow, that's a low-hanging rock right there. Right over the road. Seems kind of dangerous. Yeah, definitely breathtaking here. So we've decided to stop and take a break. Also look at this gorgeous view. Wow. It's definitely awesome. Get it, Luna.
Good girl. Let me see. Come here.
She's like, no, I gotta chew on it for a second. One more time. Oh, that's too far. Rock climber.
We are here.
We are where?
And the campsite is here.
Oh, so we're not that far from the campsite?
We are here.
Oh, that's pretty far.
If we want to stop there. No, this is less than 20 miles.
Okay.
One last dance. Meet you where all of our dreams come true. I want to shine bright. I'm ready to cross the line. Show me the light in the dark. Now I really know what I need. If I without it, it's so bittersweet. I need someone who fights for real love.
What's wrong? Are you having a muff problem there?
My muff was on the floor.
I'm gonna need you to control your muff, ma'am.
I gotta get my muff.
Don't get your mouth all dirty now.
Ew. Okay. Cut.
We're going to get some
I
stuff.
can't even do it now.
We're going to keep what?
I'm gonna have to make a freaking decision. This is what I get.
To Quincy's.
Are you having the laughs?
It's like when
Take 47.
trying to
Yes,
get
I'm
a shot
having the
done.
laughs.
Okay, so I
About
feel
to kill Aja.
I feel a theme here. There's a theme.
You know what?
They only have one
We're
thing on the
we're in
menu.
building.
They only have one item on the menu for the night,
You know what?
and then
Hey,
one
actually-
bulb in the ceiling.
What? One item. One
That
bulb.
was mine.
One Aja.
Oh, sorry. Is that what you were
Tune
doing?
in for the future
Is that what you were doing?
presentation.
That's what I was telling him not to touch.
Don't touch your bulbs.
Will you just send the info to my channel, please?
They got one thing on the menu. It's full.
One, not two, but one.
And you can get 4 different sizes, and you get 1 light bulb.
Well, technically, I think we could.
No, they're all.
I tried.
Ooh, we could steal their light.
I tried. It's like, at what point do you not realize that? Which is nice and cozy here.
Yeah, I like the one like that.
Yeah.
You
That's
mean,
very good.
why
But
is
it's the
that
only one that's not a clear one. It's the cover.
back here?
Like I said, they only have one thing on the menu. They just have different sizes, but this is the salad that comes with it. It also comes with baked potato. I'll show you later when it comes. Okay, so here is the main course. They got your steak, some cheese for that looks like doo-doo, but anyways, it's a potato. There's some greens and bread. What did you get? Oh yeah, the same thing. What did you get? Oh yeah, the same
yeah.
thing. And you too.
I'm mixing it up.
I was cutting my meat and I came across something, I thought it was a bone, but they put a stick in there and didn't tell me. So I think I'm going to eat a piece of stick because I cut it. Oops.
Wrapped in bacon.
Aww. Rabbit love. Rabbit love. It was so yummy. So we're going to head back to Walmart. It's actually pretty comfortable back here, not bouncy at all. Oh, now they're backing up. Boop, 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 boop. Out into my rig. Hey, Panda. I made it home, sweet home. It's the end of the day, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Bye, everybody. Hi, I'm Moo-moo.
And I'm Seth, and this is the Moo-moo show.
No.
No, what should we call it?
Sethamo.
This is the Sethamo show. Yeah, Moo-moo, you like that one? That's pretty good, huh? Okay, so yeah, we're here in Salida. We just had some steak. It
From
was really
Steak
good.
and Spirits.
Quincy's.
Yeah, Quincy's.
Quincy's Steak and Spirits. And that's all I had on the menu. Moo-moo got her fill.
She didn't get to partake.
She didn't actually get any. I
brought her
to
some. No, I did. I brought her some bacon though.
Luna didn't get any.
No, oh, you didn't get
I ate
Luna?
the whole thing.
Oh, you're a pig of a dad.
Well,
You're supposed to
you
bring
know,
them stuff
she
back.
gets a lot of good stuff, but not always. Sometimes. Because sometimes she gets treats and I don't even get treats.
Yeah, Moo-moo gets treats from strangers all the time. That sounded weird, but yeah, she does.
And Luna definitely talks to strangers.
Wow. Actually, not bad riding back here. It's kind of comfy.
Yeah.
See the traffic go by. You were yawning. Were you tired?
Yeah.